He's like, no, look right behind, right. No, not there.
Oh, I'm getting shot now.
What the fuck, titty ballsack, man? Where is this guy? He's probably healing the fuck
Lagoon,
up.
you just fucking left him?
What do you mean left too? He's right
We're
here.
riding the car.
Yo,
I need a new helmet. We have to
he's
kill this guy and
definitely
take
inside
his.
this house. He's
There's
definitely
somebody
inside
around
this
here.
house.
Which house? Just tell me which one.
The one I'm shooting at. That one.
Is he?
Yeah, that
Where
one.
at?
Well, I
Upstairs
don't
or
know.
down?
He went behind here, and I shot him within the neck.
Hold on, I'm gonna heal up a bit.
He did
Upstairs or
one
down?
AW
I don't know where he is. But I'm not even 100% that he's in there.
He has to be, or else he just fucking sprinted away.
Gang neck, kid.
Found him! Or is that you?
What? No. Where the fuck?
Where'd that
I
kid
don't-
go?
I don't
Did
see
he juke
anybody
you?
in here. I
Dude,
cleared
he
the
fucking
upstairs.
juked you. Or is
Yo,
he in
what-
the other house right there?
Maybe he's outside.
Bro, I have no fucking clue. What the shit? Yo, fucking.
Oh, so there's 10 up.
We have to get to the fucking zone, guys.
Unless he went in this house right here.
Dude, you might want to take out something other than the shotgun.
No, fuck him. He's on the hill, right ahead of me. 240.
Suppress K98. Dude, pull out the fucking...
I shot him once.
What? You just shot the fuck...
I knocked one out.
There's one at 240. Fuck.
The other guy is hit with a AWM, bro. You should be able to like
He's
one shot
healing.
him. Who's driving the car?
Another
Knocked one.
Bro, where the fuck is that neck?
Yo, zone. You gotta run. Run, Zao. Guys, you gotta run, you gotta move, you gotta go.
Yeah, in the car.
Let me in the car. Let me in the car.
Get in!
Go.
Alright,
You wanna go to the shack right here?
bro.
Hey, hit that guy.
Yo, right in front of us, I think.
Where?
Right there, right. Wait, I landed the push.
There's a guy
Go for
running.
the rocks, go for these rocks.
They're in the shit shack.
You guys got great cover of these rocks.
A car just.
Whoa, they just roll in right up you here.
Uh-huh.
They're just up on the road there.
Hey, it's 6 kills with a shotgun.
I have 5 kills.
I hate you all. Damn it, this game looked like it was so fun.
It is.
Dude, it definitely was.
I fucking hate this.
Hey, dude. Hey, I'm gonna rush this fucking the shit shack.
Wait. We got grenades and shit, no?
I'm out.
I got I have 3 grenades.
Is that what I think it is, a Molotov?
What the fuck were you trying to hit with that?
Where the fuck is the kid that I necked?
Stop him about that.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw a smoke to the left and let's go rush the
Is this the last team?
greenhouse. You ready?
There's
Yeah.
literally
3
3
people that-
other people. One of which I think was running down the hill.
No, bro. Look at the smoke right there. Oh, here they come.
Please show yourselves, please. Bro, we have
think they-
such.
Dude, they're gonna fucking
Bro.
drive around and try and run you guys down.
Alright, yo, we need to move.
Let them, dude.
Gotta go.
Ready? They're driving towards the shack. Yeah, I might go in the car and drive around, and then I'm gonna distract them.
To the old false flag.
Ready? I'm distracting this shit.
It's not distracting when you drive in the same direction as your teammates.
We're getting shot at.
He's just in the grass. He's suppressed right fucking next to you.
Oh, I see.
Right by the- there he is. Don't worry to run down quick. He'll finish the guy that you guys.
Right here, right next to the yellow car. He's right behind the yellow car, next to my body.
Oh my god, I fucking forgot to reload.
Left.
Go ahead. Right there, put it.
Right there. Right, he's standing up on top of it. Right there.
Oh!
Oh,
Yo, I saw the goon. Yo, I
I
thought the goon
saw
was
the
still
name.
up.
oh my god.
I ran one
The goon was
over.
still up, bro.
Did you see that? 7 kills with the shotgun.
That's why we land for Chinky.
That was
True.
Oh my god, dude.
Wait, who the fuck did I neck?
Dude, he must have died to zone or something.
Oh man.
I literally just want to go ahead and take a second to realize Did you guys see what just fucking happened?